Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to export information from SurveyMonkey into Excel. Now first, go ahead and open up the survey that you want to export into Excel. Okay, so we're opening up this one right here and then just click on Analyze Results. And on this page, I want you to just go ahead and scroll down here. Let's wait for this to load up. And once we scroll down, you'll see this option that says Save As, or you can even click here on Export. By the way, this is a paid feature to export into Excel. So you just come here, click on Save As, and then click on Export Files, and you can go ahead and export your data. Now, this is what you'll see if you have the paid plan. You just choose XLS or CSV, choose the data view, how many questions you want per worksheet, or you want all the questions on worksheet. This one will not have any charts. And if you want to include the open-ended responses as well, if you want to set a file name, then just go ahead and click on export and your file will be downloaded. So that is how you can go ahead and export information from SurveyMonkey into Excel.